time has come that we're gonna prank call somebody, and I'm gonna be the boys. Well, she's gonna be the boys, and I'm gonna be the questions.
Alright, the number *6 cents.
You got that one from Google, right?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Hello, this is Ben Matthews. I was just wondering if I can ask you a few questions for a high school survey.
A high school survey. Where are you from?
It's just a high school. Please hold.
I don't know what it is. Hit me up out of nowhere. I like the different survey questions. Like, for what school? From high school, that's my memory.
Hello, are you ready for the questions?
So what is this for? Hello?
You're breaking up.
No, you're breaking up. Hello?
Yango.
We failed. We have big failure.
No,
We're the biggest failure of failure.
Oh, okay.
Hello?
Hello.
Yo.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, I want to know who this is right now.
Hold on, look.
Let me ask you a question. Why are you calling my girlfriend in the middle of the night? Don't make excuses, boy. You tell me who you are. Don't deny it, boy.
Oh my god. People, this prank came out good.
Okay, another one.
My freaking stuff.
Hello?
Hello. Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, I want to know who this is right now. Let me ask you a question. Why are you calling my girlfriend in the middle of the night? Don't make excuses, boy. You tell me who you are. Don't deny it, boy. You better tell me the truth right now. Don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm so angry right now. You are getting me frustrated. How long has this been going on between you and her? Oh, really? You be knowing what's going on, no doubt.